Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this colorful smushy and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use this white by Creative Play called I Blanked Out, this mint green by Salon Perfect called In Mint Condition, this orange by China Glaze called Flip Flop Fantasies, and this pink by LA Colors called Pink Bubbles. And I'm going to paint the white polish onto a sandwich bag. I like to use it because it's really cheap and expensive and you could throw it out once you're done with it. And I'm going to add dots of the different colors. This is like a nice pastel, subtle design. It's not as bright as my usual neons. The colors do pop, but once you smush them together, it gives it a nice, pretty look. And I'm using a jelly stamper just to create the smushy design. I'm going to pick it up with a bigger stamper so that I'm able to cover more of my nails. And I'm going to apply it a couple of times so that most of the color goes onto my nails. Then using this Buitee Collections 14 nail plate, I hope I said that plate the right way, I'm going to add black polish onto this pretty nail stamp design. I just thought it looked really pretty. I thought it would look really cute with the design and to bring it all together, because I have to say the smushy colors just was so feminine and perfect for the design. I feel like it. I hope you feel like it too. Once I was done, I removed the liquid latex, cleaned around my nails, and I finished off with a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and simple for you guys to recreate if you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos, and check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.